Subscribe to the Minor Tech Tips channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. We all have a very positive feeling about the RGB gaming headphones. And there are so many manufacturers out there in the market, but I picked this one out for some good reasons. So if you're confused about which gaming headphone you should buy, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'll clear all your doubts. What's up guys, Kushal here, and for this video I got the Redgear Cosmo Tournament Edition gaming headphone. And of course this is a 7.1 surround sound headphone. So let's take a closer look at it after the intro. So first let's talk about the price. Well, the regular price of the Redgear Cosmo is 1799 rupees. But I got it during Great Indian Festival from Amazon and it cost me around 1599 rupees without any coupons or code applied. So if you're also interested to buy this headphone, then the best buy link will be found in the description below from where you can buy it. Also, it will help this channel to grow faster, so please support us by buying from the description link. And I also drop the official driver link for these headphones in the description below, so if you don't have any CD drive, then you can download it from down below. So the Redgear Cosmo comes in a pretty basic kind of packaging. At the front side of the box, you get the brand logo, some product specifications like it's 7.1 gaming headset, full size over ear, and it has a noise cancellation microphone. And on the back side, you get the price tag and some detailed product specifications, so if you want to read those, then you can always pause the video and read it. So enough of the box, let's take it out. In the box, first you get the headphone itself, and the first impression is it's really lightweight and feels very premium in hand. And there was a driver CD and a manual present in the box guys, but I don't know where I put that, and that is why I cannot show you the driver CD and the manual right now. But you should get a driver CD and a manual along with your headset. So now let's talk about the design and the build quality. So the design of this headset is ergonomic and it does not look cheap at all in any way. It comes with an over-ear ear cuffs and the ear cuffs are really soft and it feels like it's made of leather. And as it is an over-ear headset, so you won't feel any pain while using it for hours and hours. Talking about the build quality, the headset is made of plastic, although it's not shiny, which is a plus point of this headset. On the both sides of the headset, it has the Redgear branding. And there was some really cool looking RGB lighting going on under the metal net, which looks really awesome in dark conditions, and I kinda like that lighting because it gives the headphone a premium look. Talking about the headband is made of metal. Under that, there is a soft leather band given for better comfort, and also to protect your head. And no matter how big your head is, it's gonna fit right into it. Talking about the mic is flexible, and it has a transparent plastic coating over the flexible metal thing. And the mic chamber is also made of metal, and there was a LED given to make it look more cool, which I personally like so much. Talking about the wire is triple layer braided 2.2 meter long, so it's super durable, I can assure you that. At the end of the wire, it has a normal USB plug, which is not gold plated or something like that. Also you should notice that there is no 3.5mm headphone jack with this headset. So the build quality is really good with this headset, and it is better than Cosmic Byte, which I have reviewed in my past video. Talking about the feature, the headset has 7.1 surround sound feature. With that you can enjoy your games in a different way. Also I have checked the mic and it was pretty loud, and it does not catch too much background noise. And as I said, it's an over-ear headset, and you must know that over-ear headsets are better than on-ear headsets. Also you get 4 inline buttons with this headset. With those you can turn off or on the RGB lighting of this headset. You can turn on or turn off the mic with this button. And also you can increase or decrease the Windows volume with this volume plus and minus button. And all these buttons are backlit buttons, so if you play games in a real dark room, it's got you covered. Also this headset comes with a software utility. From there, you can choose between different effects. You can turn on the 3D sound, you can turn on the 7.1 surround sound, configure the surround sound, and also you can save your presets and load them later. So now let's talk about the main topic, which is the sound quality, of course. Well, the sound output of this headset is really loud, although the bass is not that great with it and it lacks of vibration feedback. And as I told you before that the gaming headphones can be used for listening songs because it won't provide you the crystal quality output. There is always some distortions present in these. So it's good for gaming or for watching movies. But if you're willing to buy this only to listen music, then I won't recommend you this. But compared to the price tag, the sound quality is really great, especially the 3D sound and the 7.1 virtual surround sound. So if you're willing to buy a gaming headset to play games like PUBG and for any battle royale games, or even for some AAA franchise, then unlike the other brands, go for the Redgear Cosmo. Although I know the price is a bit high, but trust me, it's worth your money in every way. So that was pretty much of it guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel and share this video with everyone. Also you can drop your questions or queries below in the comment section and I'll be there to help. And I'll see you guys in the next one.